Ever thought your microwave could become your personal chef? Or that your fridge might know your grocery list better than you do? Welcome to the world of smart kitchens, where cooking meets cutting-edge technology. Let's explore the coolest gadgets, turning our kitchens into futuristic playgrounds. First up, smart refrigerators are becoming the hub of the modern kitchen. Equipped with touchscreens, cameras, and Wi-Fi connectivity, these fridges can suggest recipes based on their contents, create shopping lists, and even let you peek inside remotely while you're at the grocery store. Brands like Samsung and LG are leading the charge with models that integrate seamlessly into your smart home ecosystem. Next, voice-activated assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant are stepping into the kitchen. With simple voice commands, you can set timers, convert measurements, control smart appliances, and even get step-by-step recipe instructions. Cooking has never been this hands-free and interactive. Smart ovens and cooktops are taking the guesswork out of cooking. These appliances come with preset cooking modes, temperature sensors, and smartphone connectivity, allowing you to monitor and control your cooking from anywhere. Some models even recognize the food you're cooking and adjust settings automatically to ensure perfect results every time. For coffee enthusiasts, connected coffee makers are a game changer. With app integration, you can customize your brew strength, set brewing schedules, and receive notification when your coffee is ready. Imagine waking up to the perfect cup, brewing just the way you like it, without lifting a finger. I hope you enjoyed this tour of smart kitchen gadgets that are making cooking more fun and efficient. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. See you in the next video.